Hey friends, as you can see, the first code we are removing duplicate elements or character from the string using set. As we know, set can contain only distinct elements. It means it never contains uh, duplicate elements. So at first, this is a print function in Python. That is, and I have taken here as a this is a method named get distinct string, and inside this we are taking an input that is a string. Then that is a string that will be in this variable s. So at first we are converting string to list, means whatever string we will take, that will be splitted into character of list elements, and then whatever elements list elements will be, that will be converted into set list elements of set, and whatever duplicate element will be in a list, that will be removed in set, and s underscore set, that is set will contains distinct element of set. So because this is a distinct element of set, that is in a set form, so but we need a string. So what I am doing here, this is a method join that I used to join a set element or list element into a string. So let's see as an example, like here at first I am taking a b c b d. At first s contains these elements, and after that when I converted this s into list, so list will contain like this, s underscore list, that will be contains like a, it will look like this, a comma b comma c comma d comma sorry b comma then d, it will look like this. And when I convert this list into set, then it will be like that, set element will be a, then because a is already came, then no next a will be inserted in set, then it will be b and comma, then c, then c, then because b is already here, so only one time it will be b, and next b will not be considered, and then d. So the finally a list will this set will contains a b c d in here. And next time, now this is a set, but we need a string, that is a distinct string, that should be a b c d generally. So we have to join these all elements into a single string. So for that join method is there, and using separator, that is nothing. So using in between we are using nothing, we are just joining them like a b c d. So that will be joined in variable s2, like s2 is equals to a b c then d, and finally we are returning s2 like that. It's nothing but a b c d, we are returning this thing. It's happening in our program. We can see this another example in also in our program, also in execution. Let's see what we have had, a b c b d, it should be a b c d. Let's see b d a c, it doesn't matter because we know set contains distinct element, but it does not maintain any order. So that's why a b c d can be in any order, that is b d a c a b c d c b a d, in any order. So that is the thing, but it is used to remove the element. Let's see the same program in list. There will be, we are trying to remove element from the string, and without using set we will remove the element from this list. Then after that we join this distinct list of element into a string. that will be returned from this function, and we will display here. Let's code, and after that I will once more I will explain you what is each line of code is doing. Let's see. So hey friend, as you seen that this second program using we have removed duplicate element from the list, and its program is working same as the last program. As you can see, the program last is remove duplicate char, and our new program is remove duplicate char 2.py. So we are try the same example to execute the program, and we got the correct output, that is a distinct string. In last program we had distinct string, that is BDAC, because the set does not maintain any order, so elements of the set can be ordered in any order randomly, but in list the insertion order it maintains. So that's why at first whatever we are removing from this list of elements, and that will be and after that whatever remaining elements will be, that will be in the same order. So that is we are getting here ABCD in order. Now let's see what's going on in code. What I did, we have taken here string that is stored in s variable. So at first we are converting this string into elements of list elements. Okay, then I have taken here a empty list. From this for loop we are taking one by one each element from this s underscore list as a c, that is a character as an element, and we are checking here that if this character is not present in this distinct list, then only it append into distinct list. Okay, so only distinct element will be in the this distinct list. So at the end, because this is a list, so we need to convert it into a string. So we are joining each element by without taking any delimiter, so that will whatever elements will be, that will be continuously will be joined stored into s2. We are returning s2 from here, and we will display this distinct string in the same function. Got it?